in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your printer ink supply levels on your MacBook or macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Go item up in the menu bar, and then go down and select Utilities. Select Print Center. Go ahead and double click on that. And then go and right click on your printer on the left panel and select Printer Info. Select the Supply Levels tab at the top, and assuming your printer supports this feature, it should populate inside of here how much ink is remaining in your printer, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.